Hi everybody, my name is Sarah and these are my strings, and I just wanted to welcome you to my first video. I am going to show you 17 different car charms or rearview mirror hangers that I have crocheted to sell. I have a couple markets coming up, so I definitely have more to do. But if you're looking for some easy, quick workups that, to sell at your next market, or just maybe some gift ideas, stick around. I use 4-ply worsted weight yarn. I don't like chunky yarn. I probably never will use it. I think that worsted weight yarn is great to use, especially when you're doing the smaller things, because it's a lot easier to do those intricate details with the smaller yarn. To show you, this is a happy little frog on a swing. He swings. He's holding on to it. He actually can go up or down, so he's holding on to it by his little arms. It's the most cutest thing ever. I have also made this little swinging sunflower. He is on a leaf swing. He is also holding on so he can go up and down on the swing as well. And he's got little legs. That's adorable. I made this, it's a bowl of cereal, kind of like Fruit Loops, and it just hangs, and this is also adjustable with this little thing, and it's got these little Fruit Loops on the other side. I thought that was really cute, very unique. Another one is this Pop-Tart with the pom-pom. And one thing about these Pop-Tarts is whenever I do something like Pop-Tart or donut or ice cream or whatever with rainbow sprinkles, I use a variegated yarn like this because I feel like it's easier to weave in the different colors with just one piece of string that's colored. Otherwise, I'd have to use like 10 different colors, and no one wants to do that. So here's that. I also made this little hanging cactus. That's the most cutest thing ever. Really good gifts for like plant lovers. I know that I've given a couple of these away. These are hanging succulents. I have one of my best friends is a big plant lover, so I made one of these for her car, and I know she loved it. I've also made these little cherries. They're the cutest things ever. And this is just with a single leaf. And like I said, it's adjustable. Cute. I've also made this little strawberry. It comes with a little pink strawberry. It comes with a flower. And all of these are adjustable unless they're obviously not. This is one that's not adjustable. I've also made this little flower. Just really simple. It's almost the same pattern as the succulent. I just made it with white. And it just hangs from the center. I thought that was really just very simple and elegant. Another elegant look I liked was this. I forget what these are called, but they're adorable. I love them. Super easy to make. Another one I made is this little orange slice with an orange. Seriously, really easy. I could probably make some tutorials on these if you guys wanted to learn. Another really easy one to make are these little tulips. These are the cutest things ever, super easy to make. Any different colors, you know, just different variations. They're all adjustable with the little leaves. Kind of got obsessed with those for a little minute, made a bunch. This is another one of my favorites. It is a raindrop with a rainbow and a little cloud. I really just think the cloud sets it off, and it's also adjustable. Tell me that's not the cutest thing ever. That's so adorable. I love it. I love it. I've made two different bees. This one comes with a honey pot. Little honey pot, a little flower up here. Come on, that's adorable. Hanging from your rearview mirror in your car. It's so cute. The other bee I made was this one, and it comes with a little flower. So cute. Seriously, super easy to make. That's all 17. I definitely have more to make. I know the next video I'm going to show you will probably be all the keychains that I have made, and there's a lot more than even this. So stick around for that video, and thanks for watching.